If you have one of these APC audio conditioner and UPS unit like this one, S20, and if it stopped working and you wonder where is the fuse, first, of course, you want to check this circuit breaker. You can reset it in the back, but I think I probably already done that. So another fuse very likely caused the problem is located here. So let me use this to point it. So that's the little surface mount fuse, which provide the voltage for the control circuit. So if that fuse is gone, then the control circuit no longer works, so you can't turn on the unit. Mine was broken, so the way I repair it is I solder a very thin wire on top of this surface mount fuse just to make the connection. By the way, if you look at the label on the fuse, beside the fuse it says F600. So that should do the work. And so this is for the S20. In case you have a lower model, the S10, or they also have the J series, J10, or H series, H15, H10. Similarly, you can find the fuse also located in here. So you can see behind this red cable, let me see, try to make it clear. Not too much light. Yeah, this way probably better. So you can see underneath the red cable, there's a surface mount device. That's also labeled F600. I think it's F600. So that's the fuse. You can measure whether it's have a connection. If not, you can solder a wire, or you just get another similar fuse to solder on. It's just a little bit more work, so I choose to solder a wire. It's simpler for me. Hope it helps.